Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today's episode is all about checking in to a hotel. Whether you're traveling for business or vacation, knowing the right English phrases will help you feel more confident and comfortable.
That's right. In this conversation, you'll hear a realistic dialogue between a hotel receptionist and a guest. You'll learn how to make a reservation, ask questions about your stay, and understand useful hotel-related vocabulary.
So grab your headphones, sit back, and let's dive into this hotel English conversation. And don't forget to stay until the end for tips and a quick review. Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Maple Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name James Taylor.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Taylor, I see you're booking for 3 nights in a deluxe room. May I see your ID and credit card, please?
Sure, here's my passport and credit card.
Thank you very much. Everything looks good. Would you like a room with a king-size bed or 2 twin beds?
A king-size bed, please. And if possible, a room on a higher floor.
Let me see what's available. Yes, we have a deluxe room on the 10th floor with the city view. Would that be okay?
Perfect, that sounds great.
Wonderful. Here's your room key, room 1012. The elevator is to your left. Breakfast is included and served from 6:30 to 10 a.m. in the Sapphire restaurant on the ground floor.
Thank you. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, we offer free Wi-Fi in all rooms and public areas. The network name and password are written on this welcome card.
Awesome. One more thing, do you offer airport shuttle service?
Yes, we do. Just let us know your flight details at least 3 hours before departure, and we'll arrange it for you.
Great, thank you. And is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, our fitness center is on the 3rd floor. It's open 24 hours, and your room key will give you access.
That's very convenient. Can I also ask about laundry service?
Absolutely. We offer same-day laundry service. Just place your clothes in the laundry bag provided in the room and fill out the form. Housekeeping will pick it up by noon.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure. If you need anything else, please dial 0 from your room. We're here to help. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Taylor.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to a relaxing trip.
Thanks for listening to this hotel English conversation on Learn English Moments. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow our podcast, leave a review, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And remember, practice makes perfect. Check out more conversations like this to get confident in real-life situations. See you in the next episode.